music, and you would sort of pass it along, and then this song would come together much later. It seemed.
All right.
Okay guys, I just want to show you this setup here. So there's my multi-sprayer there by the front of the truck. I got it on the charger so that it have plenty of battery power. When I get ready to use it, I will use it to put down my protection. And I'm also going to use it for the wool rug that I'll be cleaning on site. Other than that, this is Godzilla, of course, all set up and ready to go. There's my Max Pro, my Max Protection that I'll be using, and this is the pre-treatment, preconditioner for the wool. And there's my Hydro Force, that's for the wall-to-wall carpet. Got a nice nylon carpet here. I got my groomer there. That's my cooler and my lunch bag, because I'll be here for a while. And that is my vacuum cleaner. It's a Protein vacuum cleaner. So let's go in. Before I start, I just want to share this setup. And here at this door is where I'll be running the hoses. As you can see, the truck got my water hose hooked up, and just got to hook up the vacuum hose. Got this set up this way because I can go in and out here, and I don't have to go in and out of here because I told her it's okay to leave the dog out. There's my carpet bag. That way he doesn't have to be in here in his crate the whole time. So I'm doing some upholstery as well as some carpet and deliver the rug here. This is my cushion setup where I'll be drying the cushions as I clean. So I'm doing this sectional here and all these cushions, and I'm doing this ottoman, and that's my Sapphire 2 with my upholstery bag. And where is he? And this is the rug. This is an Indian hand knotted rug that I cleaned. And I'm gonna roll that out. So we deliver that back, come back around, come down that door. It's the walkway. I'm just got the corner guards up protecting the areas. I like to set up for the entire job, okay, before I start. When it's multi-service, my chemicals, cleaning agents, not chemicals, but cleaning agents, and I'll be cleaning this carpet here as well, and all the tools that I will need to use. So that's the reason why on this setup, it'll take a while. I only have one job today, and doesn't bother me. I'm not a carpet cleaner. There's protecting those railings. Too often with a carpet cleaning mentality, they think they gotta do the most jobs means more money, and it does not. So there's 4 rooms up here. We got this room, this carpet, and this will be counted as 2 rooms. All right, and then we got the playroom that we'll be cleaning. Got a little spill there. And this will be counted as 1 room. We got these stairs. Got the hallway. There's the buddy right there. He's out with me. His mom's gone for a couple of hours. And excuse me. That is one of the kids' rooms. And all these are the kids' rooms. Just showing you, just giving you an example. And this room here will be counted as 2 rooms. So I will be cleaning all that. And that's what I'll be doing. I'll be cleaning and protecting this carpet. So she'll be getting protection. She already has protection on the furniture. That was done by a Microseal dealer, which is a lifetime protection. So I don't have to protect the furniture, but I will be protecting the carpet. So I only have one job today, so kind of slow for me. But this job is a full, I would say at least 4-hour job that I'll be doing at least. Taking my time, I'm all set up. Now I really start cleaning and I'll take a break. When I get done with the upholstery, I may take a 10 or 15 minute break, eat some fruit, maybe a sandwich. Oh, and also talking about sandwiches, my customer's so kind. I said, "You're so kind." She took out the bread and said, "Hey, you can make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. That's all I have." Wish I had more. And I said, "Hey, that's more than enough. I appreciate it." That's the refrigerator, and she got drinks in there. She said for me to make myself comfortable and feel free to grab whatever. But I think it's important to be prepared for your job. So I have a cooler. You see I got a Gatorade Zero there on top. And in there I got some food, some sandwiches, and some fruit and some chips. And so I'm prepared for this job. And just want to share that, guys. If you're going to do multi-service, be prepared for it. Be prepared to do what you have to do to be professional. Be prepared to feed your body and keep yourself, keep food in your body for energy and keep yourself hydrated with the right fluids. So guys, thank you for viewing. And I just want to share this video with you guys about my multi-service setup. And I'm about to get started. And if you have any questions, 404-914-3103. Feel free to text me, or you can message me on Facebook. Thank you, guys. Oh, also you can message on YouTube, of course. But thanks, guys. Thanks for viewing.